Hey, what's going on? My name is Ethan Wojcik, and today I'm going to be talking about my final project called Frog Jumper. And basically, in this game, you move your frog with the arrow keys across the screen, and you have to try and avoid cars and try and navigate the water by going onto logs and turtles. So, you have 3 lives, and there is a 60-second timer at first. And when you go on the logs, you will move with them. And if you collect the green orbs, which are power ups, then you gain an extra life. And as it gets harder, as you complete more levels, it gets progressively harder. And so then I just died because I was on a turtle right as it went underwater. And you can go in the whirlpools because they're meant to kind of give you like a warning of when they're about to go underwater. But quickly after, they will go underwater and you will die if you are on them. So basically, it starts to get really hard after a while. As you see, the cars are going much faster. And if you go in the water, you die. If you get hit by a car, you also die. And as you go on, the timer also goes down a bit more. Yeah, so I'm just gonna die to show you the other screen, but basically there's also another mode, or I'll show you the change frog screen first. So basically there are achievements and they are locked initially, so you can see there's nothing here. But once you like complete certain achievements, then you can change your frog and yeah, a bunch of achievements, pretty cool. So I'll select this one for now because I unlocked it by moving 100 times. And the other game mode is infinite, and you only have one life, and everything moves forward with you, and it just goes on forever. And you cannot move backwards, so once you are on a row, you are basically stuck there. So I died because I went off the screen. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.